and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and now I have tip and trick number 25 for you. We are a quarter of the way through. I'm hoping to hit 100 tips and tricks. We'll see how far I get, but we're a quarter of the way through. This is number 25, and this one is in relation to the Elizabeth Ward storage system. Now, many people do use this, but it's not the cheapest storage system, so it may not be for everybody. However, don't go off this video yet, because it may give you a tip or a trick for other types of storage that you may have that has the same sort of thing. So the Elizabeth Ward storage comes, the one I have has multiple different sizes. I've got 4 different sizes of containers. They open up by a little latch here, which you sort of have to get your nail under to be able to open up and then tip out your diamonds. I really like this storage for many paintings. It's bigger, so that is something that does limit when I use it because of its size. But the actual container pots themselves are fantastic. Even the little ones hold loads. They do really hold loads, flat across the bottom. So if you only need a couple, you can dip your pen in and sort of use it like a tray. But yeah, I do really like them. However, if I end up with nails breaking so that they're really short, which seems to be happening quite a bit, or if I do manage to get my nails starting to be done again, which I did pre-COVID but haven't had done for probably about 2 years, then sometimes opening these containers can be more of a struggle. If I've either got no nail, which I know at the moment I have like nothing on one finger, or you know, maybe you've got a sore hand, or maybe you've got a nail that's splitting, anything like that, it can be, well, I can't use that storage, it's a pain. That's not the case. These tweezers, which I've done at least one tip and trick on, probably will have a few more. Quite often you can get these tweezers in some of the higher end kits that send you tweezers with them, and these are from Evermoment. But the ends of these tweezers can be really handy, and if you just pop the end of that tweezer underneath, you can just use that to open up your pot. It doesn't give too much disturbance to the pot, you know, so that you're likely to spill all your drills, for example. And I just like to sort of put it into the plastic so it just goes underneath and just twist slightly. And of course, because I'm trying to do it on camera, it doesn't work the same. But if you try to twist it slightly, it just helps it to pop off that little lip, which allows you to get in it properly. Just give it a little wiggle and it pops off and opens up. And it can be used on other types of storage that are the same. So there are, I mean, when I say the same, I don't mean exactly the same, but have this sort of lever. It's amazing how many you can use it for. I do suggest that you either make sure you have your end tip on your tweezers, because as you may have seen, when I'm going to use that, it's digging into part of my hand. So I do suggest you either have your cover or use a previous tip and trick where you put one of the squishies on the end, because you don't want to stab yourself. You don't want to cause any injuries. I've already got an injury. That was a fight with a 3D printer. But this can be really helpful because it's something you have handy as well often. I have a set of tweezers, well, I have quite a few floating about, but I definitely have a set of tweezers in with my diamond painting things, my diamond painting tools that I may or may not need, depending on what diamond painting I'm doing. but they're always handy, they're always near my diamond paintings. So it's great for getting these little pots open so that you can tip them in, do your diamond painting and carry on. So that is my tip and trick for today. It makes using this Elizabeth Ward storage a lot nicer for me, even, you know, whether I have my nails done or whether they're completely shot to pieces and really, really short. It helps either way. So it's always handy to keep your set of tweezers aside, and don't think because you have no nails that you can't use beautiful storage. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.